Open any web browser you have installed on your phone, Chrome, Firefox, anything. Use the link from the description, open it. Once the link open, scroll all the way down on the page, click on the download APK, then click download. Wait for the download to complete, then hit open. Then the app installer open, click on install, then open the app and hit OK. Then click on disable everything, then hit OK to allow the file permission. Scroll all the way down to find the use floating control, then find the screen cam and allow display over other apps. Then go back. Now you can use the orange circle on the bottom right corner to start recording. Then hit start now. Your screen is recording. You can record any app you like. Open the app you want to record. Once it's done, you can always hit the stop using the floating widget or the one from the notification set. Now once this is done, you can open the app, scroll to the right, then you on the videos tab, then you can see the videos you have just recorded. You can open the video to see it. And one more thing is, if you want to record real quick without opening the app, you can always go to the app icon and long press the app just to start the quick record. Thank you.